Well, the plastic trim on this looks absolutely terrible. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be gray or black. You would think it would be black. The whole vehicle's black. The rest of the plastic trim is black. Well, let's see what we can do. I grabbed a few products off the shelf. We're going to use 4 of them. We'll put a tape line right here and we'll try 1, 2, 3, 4 products. And we'll see which one restores this plastic the best and go from there. Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning. Let's get to work. You can probably see the paint is now in excellent condition, like a mirror, literally like a mirror. But the plastic trim, and I think it's supposed to be black, but it's gray. I mean, the door handles are black. A lot of the other pieces of plastic trim are black. I have had some tell me that it's supposed to be gray, so I'm not even sure, but I want them to be black. If I have to, and nothing here that I grabbed off the shelf works, I'm just going to get a plastic trim paint and paint them. This is what I grabbed off the shelf, by the way, just a few, and we'll probably use 4 of these. Solution Finish, the Colt Chemi Hydroplast Care, the Trim Restore from Detailing World, the Graphene VRT, Turtle Wax's Graphene Trim Restore, and a Trim Restore from 3D, and then Cerakote. Let me know what you would like to see, and I'll grab 4 and we'll get started. Okay, I have the A-pillars taped off. Section 1, Section 2, Section 3 and 4. On the driver's side, Section 1, 2, passenger side 3 and 4. And these other products we can test on the 20 other billion pieces of plastic trim on this thing. Guys, this thing is it's a cheaper vehicle. It's a Jeep. I mean, it's tingy and it's a rough ride just like a Jeep, but it's very simple. I like it. I like it because it's simple just like me. Look at the interior. I mean, this thing is like new. Simple setup. Yes, it is all the GM cheap plastics. She has plenty of room to jump in back here. I always delete the 2nd and 3rd row seats. But I like it. It's the baby Hummer. So we're going to make it look good. And that will begin today with the plastic trim. All right, we're going to start right here. And by the way, vehicle's washed, clean the trim, and if it's heavily oxidized, you could scrub the trim, guys. You could use a scrubby pad. You don't want anything too aggressive that it damages the texture that this has on it. This is textured, it's not smooth plastic. But when it's heavy oxidized, you can scrub this good and get the dead plastic molecules off of there first, so these products have something to hold on to. The foundation is going to be very important. Solution Finish, this is the black trim restorer, brings black back. And before you use it, you want to shake the living crap out of it, especially if it's been sitting for a while. I found this does have a shelf life. So if it sits for too many years, it's going to kind of separate. But I'm telling you, if you have a vehicle or a detailing shop, you take care of your own vehicle, have some of this on your shelf. This stuff is fantastic. I didn't grab a new applicator off the shelf because once they're used, they're going to get thrown away. And I just get this on there as even as I can. It's looking killer already. This stuff never gives me any problems. If you happen to get this on paint or glass or anything besides the plastic itself, don't worry about it. A damp microfiber will remedy that situation for you. I should have popped off this plastic trim. This comes off easily, and I'm going to have to do that so I can restore it all the way down. But for the sake of the video, we got it. I'm going to bring you in close so you can see this. I think I got it on there pretty even. It self-levels for the most part, but you can just lightly dab with a microfiber if you want to. I'm not going to. But this is what I envisioned this piece to look like. This is exactly what it should look like. I mean, stand back. Why they would make that gray, I don't know. I don't think it would. I don't know. That's just me. Anyways, section 1. Remember this, lower driver side, solution finish. Let's hop up on this corner up here. And you know what? I changed my mind. We're going to have Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Graphene Trim Restore battle with solution finish on that same panel. And we'll save these two for the other side. So next up, Graphene Trim Restore. Okay, hope I have you guys up there where you can see a little better. And then I can also see to get it on here. I'm just gonna flip it over and use this side of the crusty old pad. But again, even with the hybrid acrylic restorer here, which has I believe this one has some dye in it too. Shake the living crap out of it. This has been setting for quite some time, so this may not even be any good anymore. No date on it, but it's been there for a while. Let's just shake it up. Okay, let's give it a try. A little bit thicker than solution finish, but I guess kind of the same idea. It's going on just as nice. It's been a long time since I used this. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Sorry if I'm getting in your way. I got to be able to see to get this stuff on. One more little dab will do it. It's okay, the difference between these two, they're looking the same. Maybe this is a little bit darker, is it's being just a little bit more finicky to get on there even without any lines from me, you know, application lines. What do you think? What are you up to? Looking for a place to take a nap? Such a good girl. As you can see, that's what I'm talking about right there, where I don't have that problem. I mean, it's looking good. If you take your time, maybe find something micro-suede to get it on there. They both look good. I think this is just a little bit darker, but that would work as well. Okay, we have this post restored. That's how I picture it to look. Let's come over here, and for the bottom portion on the passenger side, we'll do the 3D trim restore. Okay, I'm going to shake this up, shake it like crazy as well. This wiper cowl really needs it bad. I guess it's cheating, but it would be so much easier just to pull that off and spray it with all those intricate designs. Anyway, I'm going to use a microfiber here as well. And we just, let me see here. Apply 1 to 2 dime-sized droplets on an applicator and soothe it evenly. Soothe it into the plastic trim and rubber. Wipe off any excess. All right, well, we can do that. Let's give it a shot. All right. Well, this isn't too bad. All right, that's not, hey, I wouldn't be embarrassed to have that section there. Now, how long this stuff, the 3D is going to last on a trim piece like this, I don't know, but as of now, it looks great. Anybody using the 3D trim restore and protectant, let us know how long it lasts for you. That's looking pretty good. I'll bring you in close, but that's not bad at all. "3D trim restore." I mean, it looks nice and even. Again, you could take a microfiber and kind of lightly drag it along. Look at the difference it made. We're going from this to this. And then over here, these are curing. Ah, look at this though. Solution finish still looks pretty damn good, and this is wicking into the plastic. So it's going to take many more coats. So there you go. Already we're seeing some differences. We'll do that over here. I know, solution finish, I would give it a couple coats too, but it's still looking good. All right, let's go to this top portion up here. And while this is a trim restore, it's a spray, let's give it a shot. All right, what it wants you to do, we'll shake this up too. Hold the can about 10 inches away and put a couple light coats rather than one thick, heavy coat. Makes sense. Now this is the only problem with this being a spray is it's going to get messy. I don't want it to get on the glass and smear that. I mean, these fumes are, the spray, that's the only problem. The overspray sucks. And I'm getting it way too heavy, but I mean, that was just me trying to get it on there and get everything covered. Wipe off the excess. Now, let me give it a light coat. Maybe it'll self-level. This stuff is everywhere. So, it doesn't look bad, I guess, so far, but just too messy for me. Whew. That stuff is everywhere, and it is tenacious to get it off. Oh my God, it has this window. all coated. I'll have to clean that. All right, well, hey, we tried. Let me remove all of the tape. And let's look at all 4 sections, and you let me know which one you would prefer. Solution finish, still looking pretty good. Definitely needs a second coat. I would wait, maybe 45 minutes to an hour. That would need probably 2 or 3 more coats. But look at the difference both of them made. Over here. 3D, soaking in, wicking in. It's very dry and thirsty. Maybe another 2 or 3 coats. That's doing a good job, but it's just way too damn messy. Let me know down in the comments section what you prefer. I'm going to let you know what I prefer right now. Guys, for me, I'm going to tell you what I do. I'm going to clean this section off and those 2 sections, and I'm going to finish it off with solution finish. And then I'm going to let it sit overnight, come back in the morning, and then coat it with a ceramic coating. Excellent, excellent combination. Any coating of your choice. It doesn't have to be a trim coating. It could be a ceramic coating for paint, glass, anything. Lock in all of this goodness, and you'll be a happy camper. Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning. I'll catch you in the next video.